Hello, here I have with me a little novelty item. Don't know if you guys are familiar with what this is or the little character inside. Now, this is a Funko Pop Keychain. So this is the, sorry, where is the brand? Okay, let me look. Okay, so I guess the brand is down here. So there is the brand. Here is the name of the cartoon this character is from, Rick and Morty. Now this cartoon has been out since 2013, I want to say, and they had their last season last year. Well, like the last season they have. I don't know if they're still going to continue to run or stop, but I do know they have seasons from 2013 to 2017, and I believe it's 3 seasons of animated cartoon. I've seen it myself and I'm a fan of it. I really don't know under what category it is. It's definitely funny and a little, I don't know, I think it was more aimed for like maybe young adults or teens, you know. Obviously anyone can watch it, but I feel like that's what it was aimed for, like the audience and stuff. So this is Rick. I don't know if I said Ricky on accident, but this is Rick, the character right here. It says vinyl figure keychain, which is what it is. If you guys are familiar with this brand, they usually are bigger size. You guys won't, you know, recognize it, but they're basically collectible type of items, or just a lot of people mistake them for like bobbleheads and stuff, and they kind of do look like that, you can say, but they are vinyl figurines. They are super popular right now in like pop culture, and I know they've been out for a while. Like I said, it's just basically booming right now, but I'm pretty like they've been out for more than 3 years because they've sold like over 10 million of these products in the last 3 years, which is quite a bit for, you know, still blowing up, still going with like current and old product. And it's just an awesome brand with their quality, what they're coming out with, their choices, and just overall their brand and their name and what they're here to do. And now I definitely, if you are into these type of things like collecting, or just, you know, you like characters and you like having things of your favorite movies, video games, celebrities, TV shows, any of that sorts, definitely recommend starting to look into these Funko Pops. Now they are usually bigger and they're just like a figurine, but they came out with these keychains, which is the same type of figure, same awesome quality. You can see the paint is good, the figurine, it's very detailed, and it's so cool. You can see all the details there, and you can see on top the little keychain part. So this is a keychain. I keep it in the box because, like I said, I believe they are awesome for collecting. I did say it was a novelty item. I know, no true purpose, but it definitely still, you know, you can have it as your keychain. You can actually take it out of the box. I'm sure it would look so cute just out the box. Now, I think compared to like their other items and just the item itself, and for the quality that you get and the price you're paying, I think it is affordable. And by that, I mean that whatever price it has, I just believe for what you get, it's definitely worth it. Especially when you find, you know, favorite characters, you just get so excited. You know, it's a cool thing that they make about. So like I mentioned, this was a TV show, so they do also have these keychains in other type of lines. Whether it's other TV shows or movies or video games or anything of that sort. They have over 150 licenses, meaning Rick and Morty is literally one of the very, 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 like, that is so small in their categories. They have so many other branches that they go off, whether it's video games, TV shows, movies, etc. So you'll definitely find so many of these. You can definitely travel with this, you know, at the box. I mean, I'm not quite sure why you would take it with the box. I haven't traveled with it, but you can definitely have it as a keychain and whatnot. I think the box, because I keep it in the box, I also make sure it's good quality, you know. Not that it matters, because I know a lot of people throw them out, but because they're figurines, and I think, you know, sometimes they are meant to, like, you know, collect and whatnot. Definitely, like, they should have a good storage or anything that it comes with it. So this definitely, it's like plastic, but I would just be careful because I've seen some pretty destroyed ones, and I think this is definitely one of the best ones. So as you can see right there, it's clear plastic. I think this looks like cardboard stuff, paper cardboard. So super good quality, you know. It's bendy, but it's definitely good. Let's see, ages 17 plus. Not really sure why, but I mean, I'm sure anyone can have a keychain. And hello, here with me a little novelty item. Don't know if you guys are familiar with what this is or the little character inside. Now, this is a Funko Pop Keychain. So this is the sorry, where is the brand? Okay, let me look. Okay, so I guess the brand is down here. So there is the brand. Here is the name of the cartoon this character is from, Rick and Morty. Now this cartoon has been out since 2013, I want to say, and they had their last season last year. Like the last season they have, I don't know if they're still going to continue to run or stop, but I do know they have seasons from 2013 to 2017, and I believe it's 3 seasons of